Free throws are good for Tedisio. Yonelo, that's your 6 points of the ball game. Tedisio, wala, rebound by Yonelo. Yonelo, 6 points and 13 rebounds. Yonelo, wala, rebound. Yonelo, 6 points, 13 rebounds, 3 fouls. Villa Gracia, number 4. Good. Rebound number 41. Could be Monteverde. Number 2, Black. Traveling violation. Traveling Vestana. Anina, to Villa Gracia. Villa Gracia, 314. Pinigil, wala. Rebound, habang natin number 5. Number 5, to Andrada. 5 to Villa Gracia, and it's good. 2 points, Villa Gracia. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. By Villa Gracia. Jika dapat, meninggal yang sampai. Monteverde con Vestana, habla de Tedisio. Tedisio left on the base, no? Basket, Tedisio. De Monteverde, arrasa Villa Gracia. Proposo, nada on the stand, fast play situation. Tedisio, left, voila, Tedisio again, 2 points. In favor of Capi. Third game will be played between Rojas Memorial Hospital versus St. Anthony Sales Hospital. This is the third quarter. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining. Play between CEH versus CDH. In and out, rebound number 2. Reverse layup by number 6. Swansea. Number 11. Number 11 is number 11. Nice defense, Jimmy Alpha. Nice defense, number 10, rebound situation. Swansea, that's your 8 points. 8 points and 3 rebounds. Swansea. Swansea again, why not? Number 22, to Bestana. Bestana, they were number 41. There's a foul. Number 10. Number 10, first personal foul with 6 points. Vitisio, in the time, 8 seconds. Vitisio against the Bernabé. Vitisio, traveling. Number 1, Vitisio. 3 seconds, 3.9 seconds. Bestana for the rebound. Number 11. 1 shot. 3.9 seconds. Possession will go from 3 seconds. Vitisio short. That's the end of the third quarter. Score 78-37. Inter-hospital basketball tournament participated by 16 CEH, CDH, Rojas Memorial Hospital, Capiz Doctor Hospital, St. Anthony College Hospital, Sandro,